Have you ever been shopping in the mall and thought to yourself, did I lock the car? Kia solves that problem with the Kia Access with Uvo Link App on your smartphone. Features like remote lock and unlock, remote start and remote climate let you control your Kia from a distance. When using the Kia Access with Uvo Link App on your smartphone, you should press the refresh icon to make sure the information is up to date. We've all locked our keys in our car, right? That can be an expensive mistake, but not if you own a Kia. From your smartphone, open Kia Access with Uvo Link App and press the unlock icon under door locks and your Kia will unlock. You can also do this in the remote features under the security tab. The reverse is also true. You can also lock your Kia remotely. As we said in the opening, it's a real convenience if you're shopping and don't remember if you locked your car. Just open the app and press the lock icon under door locks. It's that simple. The Kia Access with Uvo Link app also allows you to remotely start your Kia. To use remote start, the key must be outside of the vehicle and the doors must be closed and locked. You can start your Kia by pressing the start icon under remote start. To operate the remote climate control feature, select remote from the menu. Here you can select your preferred temperature. You can turn on the front and rear defrost, heated mirrors, and heated steering wheel by pressing the buttons, which turn green. Then press Start, then OK. Your Kia will start and the temperature will adjust so it's ready to go when you are. That way you can cool down in the summer and take the chill off in the winter. You can also press Stop to turn off the heating and air conditioning system. This is a real convenience all year round. The goal of Kia is to make your life easier by enabling you to remotely lock or unlock your Kia, start your car, and by giving you access to your climate controls via your smartphone. For additional information on remote lock and unlock, remote climate control, and remote start, please refer to the Car Multimedia System User's Manual or the Kia Features and Functions videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.